Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is the perfect product to get those flying pests that may have gotten in your house. So this is by a company called Zevo, and it is their flying insect trap, and I absolutely love this thing. So obviously right here, I got their kind of like starter value kit, if you will. It comes with one plug-in and then 2 refills. Obviously it comes with instructions. We're covering all the features here in the video and how it works. Super, super easy to utilize. So first off, let's go over the plug-in unit. As you can see, it's nice and compact, nice and small. It has a standard plug on the back. The plug does rotate in a vertical position. So depending on your outlets, you're gonna be good to plug this in. And then above the plug, you're gonna notice this little white thing. It's got 2 LED lights on either side. And those are ultraviolet LED lights that glow kind of this blue look. That is what attracts the bugs. So this is designed to get your house flies, your fruit flies, your gnats, basically your flying insects that can be attracted to light. And you need to put this in a place where you can see it or where the bugs can see it. So if you hide this behind your couch, for example, they're not gonna see it because they've gotta be attracted to the light in order to get stuck on the sticky pad. And so as you can see, along the whole back here is a nice big sticky pad. Very easy to utilize. You're simply going to pull up the top to throw it out. So it's got a mess-free solution. You don't have to touch it or anything like that. And also because of the curved design, if you have this like in a kitchen or a dining room, you don't see the bugs when it's against the wall. So it's not gonna gross you out or anything when you are eating, which is also nice. It was well designed as far as that aspects. As far as the new ones, it's got their little lock technology. Very easy, you're just gonna pull the little tab, exposing the sticky part, and then you are going to go ahead and then slide this into position. And it's as simple as that as far as changing them out. Once again, like I said, no mess situation here. Now, as far as usage of it doesn't have any sound. So you can put this in a quiet room. You can utilize this in a bathroom. You can utilize this in the garage. You can utilize this in the living room, kitchen, wherever you want, because it's not gonna bother you as far as sound. It has no odors or anything like that. It just has that blue light. So just keep that in mind when utilizing it. Now, as far as how often do we change it out? We change it out about once a month. Essentially, how you're gonna know is when the pad starts to fill up with little bugs. That's as simple as that. So it's really gonna depend on your environment and how often the pad is. It could be, check it maybe like every couple weeks, so every other week or something like that. But we can easily go longer than a month if it's not like, you know, if it's not fall time and there's not a lot of bugs around, it'll last a lot longer. But maybe in the springtime when there's more activity, then we will notice it a little more often. We have a ton of house plants, and so naturally, whenever you get plants, sometimes we get little gnats in there, and this works perfect for that. So changing them out just varies depending on what your usage is. But overall, I've been very, very pleased with it. It works very, very well, super easy to change. Like I said, it is the modern day fly trap. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great fly trap, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.